Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to some more new video here on the Sap Crazy YouTube channel. We are cruising down the 405 southbound, headed towards West Los Angeles and up and through the Sepulveda Pass. We'll be making our way down to West Los Angeles this morning. Going to get ourselves locked into lane splitting mode here shortly. I assume the traffic will back up, and at that point we will get into lane splitting mode. Happy Monday before Christmas. Crisp, cool December morning. Got my leather gloves on because it's a little bit extra chilly this morning. Hopefully we don't see any carpool lane jumpers right here. There you have a carpool lane jumper. Put your phone down. Okay. Dude crossed the double yellow line and he's on his cell phone. 2 for 2 on bad driving moves. And that's what you get here on the 405. So you always got to be paying attention. Thanks for watching. I'm Sap Crazy. Catch you on the next one.